loosen back up. Hi, I'm Preston Stiles with Funtown RV. We're going to do a video today on winterizing a fifth wheel. I have one here behind me. We've got a couple of products here on the table. This is non-toxic antifreeze. The trailer behind me is going to take about 4 to 5 gallons. Your trailer might be a little smaller, a little bigger. Then I have here a hand pump that's going to help us with that. And then also another option is the air blowing valve, and I'll demonstrate that today on how to use that. Now we're going to start on the outside of this trailer. We're going to go over here to the winterization spot. Now this trailer is equipped with low point drains in this compartment. We're simply just going to turn the valves on the low point drain, and it's going to start draining. Now this trailer has other spots, so we're going to move over to the water heater. Now this is a tankless water heater. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, but word of caution, when you do open this up, water is going to pour out. So you might want to step aside. And you're going to want to pull this out and set this aside for further use. Now, this one has a couple extra low point drains that we're going to use. Here, for just to save time, I will run ahead and remove this panel with a simple Phillips head screwdriver. There's 3 valves that we're going to turn on to bypass the dishwasher. If your model doesn't have a dishwasher, you can go ahead and skip this step. All right. Now this trailer is also equipped with a residential refrigerator. So come in here, we're going to pull this out, which is for the ice maker line, and then we're going to turn on the low point drain so we can start draining the water. All right, now we're going to go inside and get ready to use the air nozzle. With this trailer, we're going to start from the nose. We're going to go ahead and turn on all faucets. Just simply turn on your shower faucet and any sink faucets that you have around. Go ahead and turn these on. All right, if we have any water, we're going to go ahead and flush and get that into the black tank. Now this unit is equipped with a mid bath. So if you don't have an extra bathroom, you can go ahead and skip. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to flush the toilet and turn on the faucet. Now we're going to head to the kitchen. We took care of the refrigerator outside. We're going to come in here and we're going to turn on the kitchen faucet. That's going to allow us to push the water out of those faucets. Now I'm going to show you how to hook up the air nozzle back outside. All right, now here's our air nozzle that we're going to be showing you today. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And for those that wanted to do it with the hand pump, I'm going to go ahead and open this and show you that as well. So I'm going to take these right over here to the side of the trailer. So I'm going to show you the hand pump first. I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. And then all we're simply going to do is hook it up to your inlet or your city water. Alright. Then you're just going to take the hand pump. If you're going to pump it through your system, you're going to just stick it in the antifreeze and pump until you get antifreeze coming out your sinks. And that's how you use the hand pump. Now, if you're going to use the air nozzle valve, you just simply hook it to the same spot as you would the pump. Remove the cap. Right here. And you're going to hook up air to it. And you're going to let it blow for about 3 to 5 minutes, just enough to get the water out of the lines. Once you're done, go ahead and remove it. And now we're going to reverse the process, go back through, turn off valves and so. If you do have a water filter installed, go ahead and remove it and drain any excess water. So now we're going to take the antifreeze inside and pour it down our sinks. We're going to start from the nose again. Now, because of this trailer, we're going to go ahead and pour this one down the shower pan because of its special drain. What's that bar?
Alright, let's do that one more time.
Alright, so because of this unit, we're going to pour this one down the shower because of its special drain. And we're also going to pour it down the sinks. Now on the sinks, you're going to want about 3 to 4 cups of water going down the sink. Now on the toilets, you're going to want about a half a jug in the toilet. Just simply fill it up and then flush. And then you're done with the toilet. Now we're going to repeat that process in the mid-bath. We're going to pour another half a jug down the toilet and flush. Then we're going to pour 3 to 4 cups down the sink. And now we're going to head to the kitchen. And we're going to do the same thing with the kitchen. And then that's how you winterize your trailer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, or comment if you have any questions on how to winterize a fifth wheel trailer.